Hi everyone, welcome to WITS Connect. This is Raju Madhi, Assistant Professor of EC Department, Warangal Institute of Technology and Science. Coming to the today's topic here, logic gates. What is mean by logic? Logic is a binary value, either it is 0 or 1. The logic gates are used to perform the logical operations and will be gives either it is 0 or 1 output. And coming to these logic gates are classified into two types. One is basic gates and second one universal gates. And coming to the basic gates, there are three basic gates. First one, NOT gate, and second one, AND gate, and third one, OR gate. And these all the basic gates having particular logical symbol, and also we have particular truth tables. Coming to the NOT gate, the NOT gate is used to give the complemented output. The NOT gate is used to give the complemented output. And coming to this NOT gate, the logic diagram of the NOT gate is like this, and this will be gives the complemented output. That means whenever we are taking the input is equal to 1, and this will be gives the complemented output that is equal to A bar. Okay, and coming to the truth table of NOT gate, here we are giving only single input, that is input A, and we will get the output that is equal to A bar. And we have the truth table like this, and if we are giving the input as 0 here, and we will get the output that is equal to 1, so that means a complemented output. So for 0 input, here we are getting the output is equal to 1, and for 1 input, here we are getting the complemented output that is equal to 0. So this is the truth table and logic diagram of the NOT gate. And coming to the AND gate, the logic diagram of the AND gate, here I am drawing the 2 input NOT gate, AND gate, and I am giving the 2 inputs, that is A and B, both are inputs. And this AND gate gives the multiplied output, that is Y is equal to A into B, And coming to the truth table of AND gate, here we are giving 2 inputs, and this all are the inputs A and B, both inputs, and we are getting the output, single output, that is Y is equal to A into B. We already discussed that the binary multiplication and binary addition, and in this binary multiplication, here we are giving 0, 0, both are inputs, and 0 cross 0 is equal to 0 output, and again 0, 1, 0 cross 1 is equal to, again we are getting 0 output, and next 1 cross 0, we will get the output is equal to 0, and last one, that is 1 cross 1 is equal to 1. That means the AND gate gives the active high output when both, that means all the inputs are active high, then only the output is equal to active high. Okay, so this is the AND gate and operation of the AND gate. And coming to the third one, that is OR gate, the logic circuit of the OR gate is like this, and here we are giving two inputs again a and b both are inputs, and we are getting the output y is equal to a plus b, y equal to a plus b. And coming to the truth table of OR gate, truth table of OR gate, here we are giving the inputs, both inputs like a and b, and we are getting the output y is equal to a plus b, y equal to a plus b. That means the OR gate is used to perform the binary arithmetic addition operation, and we will get the 4 combinations when we are giving the 2 inputs. Then we will get the 4 combinations like 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4. Okay, so here we are giving the 2 inputs, then we will get the 4 combinations like 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. These all are the successive combination inputs, and 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, and 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1 here, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 here. That means here the OR gate is used to, if any input is active high, then the output is equal to active high. And coming to this one, in the binary addition, the 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 and carry will be generated, and that carry will be forwarded to next most significant bit. But here for the OR gate, if any input is active high, then the output is equal to active high. Okay, coming to the universal gates, here we have the universal gate. Why these universal gates are called as universal gate? Because of, by using this universal gate, we can design the basic gates like NOT gate, AND gate or OR gate. So coming to the universal gate, these universal gates are 2 types. Those are first one NAND gate and NOR gate. Coming to first one, that is NAND gate, and the logic diagram of the NAND gate is, here I am taking the 2 input NAND gate and giving the 2 inputs, both inputs A and B, and this will be gives the output y is equal to A into B whole bar. That means this is similar to the AND gate, but it is a complemented AND gate. Okay, so here y is equal to A into B, that is equal to AND gate, but here y is equal to A into B whole bar is equal to NOT gate. That means here one NOT gate is connected across the output of AND gate. Okay, and coming to the truth table of the NAND gate, here I am giving the inputs, both inputs like A and B, and we will get the output combination y is equal to A into B whole bar, y is equal to A into B whole bar. For the 2 inputs, we will get the 4 successive input combinations like 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, 4 combinations, and 0 cross 0 is equal to 0, and 0 complement is equal to 1 here, and again 0 cross 1 equal to 0, 0 cross 1 is equal 0 complement 1. Okay, and coming to this, 1 cross 0 is equal to 0, 0 complement 1 here, and again for the both active high inputs, 1 cross 1 is equal to 1, 1 की complement 0. Okay, so this is the logic diagram and truth table of the NAND gate. And another universal gate we have, that is NOR gate. The NOR gate logic symbol is like this, and one NOT gate is connected across the output of OR gate, then that will be treated as NOR gate. So here A and B both are inputs, and we will get y is equal to A plus B whole bar, y is equal to A plus B whole bar. And for this we will get inputs like A and B both are inputs, and outputs like y is equal to A plus B whole bar. and 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. These all are the combinations we have, and 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 complement 1, and 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 की complement 0, and 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 1 की complement 0, 1 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 की complement here 0. Okay, so this is the truth table and logic diagram of universal gates like NAND gate and NOR gate. And another logic gates we have, those all are called as special function logic gates, and these all are the logic gates are used to design the combinational circuits, and the combinational circuits are like adders, subtractors. Okay, and the universal gates are exclusive OR gate, exclusive OR gate. And coming to the logic diagram of the exclusive OR gate is like this. And here we are giving the both inputs A and B, and here the output Y is equal to A exclusive OR B, A exclusive OR B, and this can be written as Y is equal to A bar B plus B bar A. Okay, and coming to the truth table, here we are giving the inputs A and B, and we will get the output, that is Y is equal to A exclusive OR B, Y equal to A exclusive OR B, and for this we will get the combinations like 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. 4 successive combinations we have here. And see, here we are taking the A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0. That means A is equal to 0, 0 complement, and into 0, that is equal to 0 plus 0 की complement 1 here, A is equal to 0. That means 1 cross 0 is equal to 0. So 0 plus 0 equal to 0 we are getting here. And coming to the second successive input, A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1. That is A is equal to 0, 0 complement 1 here, and B is equal to 1 into 1 plus B bar A equal to 1, 1 की complement 0 here, and A is equal to 0 into 0. Okay, so 1 cross 1 equal to 1 plus 0 cross 0 is equal to 0, 1 plus 0 equal to 1 here. Similarly here, when we take A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, we will get the output is equal to 1. And coming to the both active high inputs, A equal to 1, that means 1 की complement 0 cross 1 plus, and again here we are getting 0 cross 1. So 0 cross 1 is equal to 0, 0 cross 1 is equal to 0. That means 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Okay, so coming to this exclusive OR operation, if the inputs are different, that means active low and active high, then the output is equal to active high. And if the inputs are similar, that is A equal to B equal to 0, then the output is equal to 0. A equal to B equal to 1, then the output is equal to 0. And the next special function logic gate we have, that is called as exclusive NOR gate, exclusive NOR gate, and this exclusive NOR gate gives the complemented output for the exclusive OR gate. Okay, so this is the logic diagram, and this is NOT gate symbol here, and here we are giving the both inputs A and B, and that is Y is equal to A exclusive NOR B, and this will be represented as Y is equal to A bar B bar plus A into B. Okay, and coming to the truth table, here we are giving the inputs like A and B, and we are getting the output, that is Y is equal to A exclusive NOR B. Okay, so here we are giving 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. These all are the inputs, and the complemented, if the both inputs are 0 0, 0 complement 1 and 0 complement 1, 1 cross 1 is equal to 1 here, and remaining all we will get 0. And if the both inputs are active high, here we have 1 cross 1 is equal to 1 and 0 cross 0 is equal to 0. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 we are getting here. So these all are the logic gates we have, and their logic circuits, and the truth table we already discussed. Okay. Next we have design of basic gates by using only NAND gate. We have the basic gates, three types of basic gates like NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate. So here we have to design those all the basic gates by using only NAND gate. See, the NAND gate is having only, the NOT gate having only single input that will be gives the complemented output. So coming to this NOT gate, so first NOT gate designing, and here we are taking the two inputs and that is shorted here, and here we are giving the one input, and if we are giving the A as a input, then we will get the output that is equal to A bar. So this is equal to the NOT gate. And coming to the next one, that is AND gate. Okay, AND gate. And coming to the here, the AND gate performs the operation of A into B, and we have the NAND gate that is equal to A into B whole bar. So here I am using one NAND gate A and B both are inputs, and here we are getting Y is equal to A into B whole bar, and this input is again connected to one NOT gate, then we will get Y is equal to A into B. So this is the equivalent AND gate by A into B whole bar, and this will be gives the complement again, then both complements are cancelled, then we will get the Y is equal to A into B. This is equal to A into B, Y is equal to A into B. And coming to the OR gate, see here I am giving single input NAND gate, that is A, and another input that is connected to B, and these two inputs are connected to another NAND gate, that is, so here we are getting A bar and this is B bar, and this will be gives Y is equal to A bar into B bar whole bar, and this can be written as that is equal to A bar whole bar plus B bar whole bar. Both bars are cancelled here, and we will get the final value that is A plus B. So this is the equivalent logic circuit for the OR gate by using only NAND gate. Coming to the next one, that is design of basic gates using only NOR gates. The basic gate that is NOT gate, and the equivalent NOT gate by using NOR gate is and here we are giving the complement, and here this is the A, and this will be gives the complemented output that is equal to A bar. And next here we have the AND gate. The AND gate equivalent circuit is here AND gate that is equal to A into B, and we have to get the output is equal to A into B. So here and this is the A input, and this is the B input, and these two all are connected to another NOR gate. So here we are getting the output that is equal to A bar, and this will be gives the output B bar, and the total output Y is equal to A bar plus B bar whole bar, and this can be written as A bar into whole bar into B bar into whole bar. Then both bars are cancelled. Here we are getting the output that is Y is equal to A into B. Y is equal to A into B. Next, coming to the NOR gate. Coming to the OR gate. Here the NOT gate gives the complemented output. So that's why here we are using the one NOT gate. That is A and B both are inputs, and we are getting the Y is equal to A plus B whole bar here, and here I am connecting one. Okay, this will be gives the complement, that is Y is equal to A plus B whole bar. Both bars are cancelled. Here Y is equal to, we will get the A plus B output. So this is the design of basic gates using only NOR gate. Okay, thank you.